In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find your sitemap in hosting your website builder. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find your sitemap for your website on Hostinger. As you can see, this is what it looks like visually, and you will be able to gather your sitemap for various different purposes. To find this, visit the specific URL for your published website. So most likely you will have to publish your website to get this done. So all that you have to do is go over to your Hostinger website and on the URL include /sitemap.xml after. So you will have your Hostinger website here, the full URL, and all that you have to do is include /sitemap.xml after the main URL of your Hostinger website. There's no secret to this. As long as you include this portion after, you will load into a page that has a bunch of URLs here. Now, of course, I've blurred all this out because I just chose a random example, but basically with all of these URL and all of the code displayed here, this is going to be your sitemap. You can select everything that is available here and copy it. Now you have plenty of options to use this sitemap for. For this video, I'm not going to showcase anything in particular, but with this done, you will now be able to have your very own Hostinger website sitemap. Usually, you will connect it to other services like within Google, and as long as you visit your particular website and you add /sitemap.xml to the end of your domain name, you will find your website's XML sitemap. This will list all of the important pages on your site for search engines like Google to crawl and index. I hope I was able to help you on how to find your sitemap in Hostinger website builder. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.